So this apartment is on Belvedere Street. Now we're entering the first room. Will be repainted. The door can be closed and stay like that, so it's like two separate rooms. To hallway again, and to the left to the next room. The tables can stay here. The wardrobe probably will not stay here because it's damaged. The sofa might stay. Back to the hallway. Now here is the bathroom. Let's take a look. So there's a bath and the basin and the mirror. Yeah. And next door there is a separate toilet. Let's take a peek. Yeah. Okay. And to the right, there's a kitchen, which is fully equipped, spacious. A dining table will fit in just perfectly, even a bigger one for 6 or 8 people. A cooker, stove, fridge, new kitchen unit, even a microwave oven. And here is a storing space where you can have your stuff like bicycles or huge luggage. Okay, so that's the apartment on Belvedere Street.